The MOVA P50 Pro Ultra is a smart robot vacuum and mop with powerful suction, intelligent navigation, and advanced self-cleaning features. Designed for hands-free convenience, it keeps your floors spotless with minimal effort. What's in the box? In the box, you find the MOVA P50 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum, self-empty dock, dock base, vacuum mop, power cord, auto detergent compartment, cleaning solution, dust bag, washboard filter, and user manual. How to pair. Setting up the MOVA P50 Pro Ultra is simple with the new MOVA Home app. After creating an account, connecting the robot to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, and docking it for charging, users can access a wide range of smart features, including AI-powered obstacle avoidance, intelligent mop extension, carpet detection, automatic mop washing and drying, real-time camera monitoring, pet-friendly functions, and customizable cleaning schedules. Once the initial firmware update and fast mapping process are complete, the robot creates a detailed map of your home, allowing it to deliver efficient, hands-free vacuuming and mopping with advanced automation and smart cleaning controls. How to use? Install the MOVA P50 Pro Ultra by first placing the base station in an open area with strong Wi-Fi, ensuring enough clearance around it and a stable power connection. Remove all protective films from the robot and accessories, install the mop pads, fill the clean water tank, and connect the robot to the dock until it confirms charging. Once powered on, place it back on the dock and start the cleaning process, allowing it to automatically map your home and optimize navigation. After mapping is complete, you can begin cleaning and the robot will vacuum and mop while returning to the dock for charging, washing, and maintenance automatically. Maintenance. Keep the top silver crevice clean to avoid bumper blockage. Open the top cover to clean the dust bin, tap or rinse filters, and wash the bin, but dry it for 24 hours before reuse. Use the internal flap for deeper cleaning and to prevent dust buildup. Wipe all sensors and charging contacts for proper navigation and docking. Remove hair from the side brush and detangle or replace the main brush using the screw. Wash or replace microfiber mop pads regularly for effective cleaning. Open the lid at the top to access the removable clean and dirty water tanks, keeping the inside wiped and all water channels clear. Rinse the dirty tank regularly to prevent odor and buildup, while the clean tank needs only occasional deep cleaning. The scale inhibitor helps reduce mineral deposits and can be replaced if needed. Below, refill the solution tank as required and replace the vacuum bag when full, ideally noting the installation date for tracking. At the bottom, remove and wash the insert and keep the self-empty channels, sensors, and charging contacts clean to ensure smooth station operation. Smart features? The station automatically empties dust, washes mop pads, refills water, and dries them after cleaning. This reduces manual maintenance and keeps the robot ready for the next cycle. Delivers high-intensity suction to effectively remove dust, debris, and embedded dirt from carpets and hard floors. Ensures deeper cleaning performance even in hard-to-reach areas and heavy dirt zones. Automatically lifts the mop when carpets are detected to prevent wetting and ensures smooth switching between vacuuming and mopping modes. This allows efficient dual cleaning without manual intervention. Uses smart sensors and fast mapping to create accurate floor plans of your home for efficient cleaning routes. It ensures organized room-by-room coverage while avoiding obstacles and optimizing cleaning paths. Detects and avoids furniture, cables, and small objects in real time to prevent collisions. This ensures smoother navigation and safer cleaning around pets and cluttered areas. Allows you to adjust suction power, mop intensity, and cleaning patterns based on room type or dirt level. You can also set no-go zones, carpet boosts, and zone-specific cleaning through the app for full control. Control and monitor the robot through the mobile app with features like scheduling, map editing, and real-time cleaning updates. It also supports voice commands for hands-free operation and quick cleaning control. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the MOVA P50 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your MOVA P50 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum. See you at the next one.